So you are going to begin, open Canva and go to the top left, create a design, and you want to type in the word worksheet. And you can go landscape or portrait, you choose. So I went portrait, and over here I clicked on elements, and I am typing in what I want for my background. So I typed in textured orange wall. I didn't like that, so now I typed in room, and I'm looking around. Do I like that? I didn't like that. Now I'm typing orange plaster wall. I'm just trying to find something that fits the aesthetic that I want. So now I'm clicking the three dots, and I'm clicking set image as background, and that makes my background. Okay, so now I'm going to my camera roll, and I'm going to find the picture of my artwork. Then I'm going back to elements over on the top left, and I am typing in picture frame because I want a frame to go around this piece to prepare it for presentation. And I want you to pick a frame that you think is going to suit the whole vibe that you're going for. So this is the one I picked, blue and orange complementary colors. I think it's going to look nice. I'm clicking three dots, then layer, and I am going to bring that painting to the front. And that way my painting is on top of the frame and the frame is not on top of the painting. It depends on what frame you pick, how you're going to have to layer it. I had to put my frame behind it, and here I am just kind of adjusting the size to make sure it all fits within the frame and looks nice and tidy. So now I'm going to download it. Go up and click share in the top right corner, and from there you will click save as, and then you will choose how you want to save it, what file type. And from there you will click download. It will take a minute to think, and then it will be there. You click save image, and then it's in your iPad. You could also just take a screenshot. And then here is just another example I'm going to start. This one I'm doing a landscape mode, and I'm typing in wall and floor. And so I wanted it to look more like a complete room, but I don't like the blue background, so I'm typing in beige wallpaper. And I'm picking a wallpaper that I'd want to put on that wall for my piece. And then I'm just going to size that to take place of the blue. And now I'm going to put in my painting just like before, and I'm going to scale it. And I'm going to choose my frame to go around it. And I'm going to choose what is in front, what is in back, and just scale it to size. All right, so I just work with this, and then I decided I want to add some patterns on the wall, like a wallpaper, and I'm a little more in charge of the design. So I just typed in beige plant, and I'm going to add this in a pattern on the wall. And I'm going to duplicate this pattern by using that button right there, and it just copy and paste it essentially. But I do need to crop it if it's too long. So I just click that crop button, and then you can crop just like you see there, so it didn't get into the floor. Okay, and I'm just going to duplicate this and make that pattern. You can select multiple at a time and then duplicate it so it's easier and goes a little faster, kind of copy paste. Okay, so next I want to decorate my room a little bit. So I went back to elements and I typed in succulent in a pot. And I just want to add a little bit of decor to this room to make it more of a full environment. So I'm choosing different types of succulents since obviously my painting is about a succulent. Does it have to be a succulent? No, I could put in a couch. I could put in a tabletop, whatever. This is just what I'm choosing for this example. I want you to pick whatever you want to do to make it display the way you want it. And then I just play with layering, bringing to the front, sending to the back to make sure it all looks the way that I like it. Once it's to where I want, I'm just going to share it, and I'm going to download it and save it into my iPad so I can upload it for submission. And these are two different ways to prepare your art for presentation